Okay, I can fit a finger in them so they're not tight.
No, my hands just beat the shit out of me the other night. It fucking hurt.
A cop's discovery of a car in a ditch leads to a grandmother being arrested for DUI. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Attorneys React. I'm UncivilLaw for Attorneys React. Let's go ahead and get started with this.
The whole family lives together on Curtis Street there in Hatley, but I got the kid and the dog in my squad for now. So I'll...
That is a car in a ditch, my friends. Can't not be denied.
Right, and I'm concerned because you have how old is Jasper?
3.
You have a 3-year-old in the car with you.
Yes, and we're going to
that's not necessarily ideal.
I was trying to back up.
Probably shouldn't have the 3-year-old in the car.
For my peace of mind, I want to check to see if you are okay to drive.
Fine.
Is that something that you are willing to do?
I'm not even going to speak on that.
Okay. Have you been to the dentist in the past 24 hours? Do you have anything that can prevent you from doing any walking, turning, anything like that, lifting a leg off the ground? Yes? What are those conditions?
My boyfriend beat the crap out of me the other night
Okay.
and locked me outside butt naked. I slept in my trunk of my car
Okay. Did you go to the doctor for that?
because I don't want to see him get in trouble for it because it's my only place of living.
Okay. Do you wear glasses or contacts? Okay. Do you have contacts in right now? Can you see the tip of my finger without your glasses? Barely? How about... Can you at least follow it? Yeah? Okay. Are you willing to do these tests for me? They're voluntary. Okay. Can you see the tip of my stimulus? Okay. With your eyes only and without moving your head, follow the tip of the stimulus.
It's blinking.
What
If
do
I
you,
have a seizure.
It's
not my
blinking?
fault.
That's not good.
do you usually have seizures?
I am epileptic.
Okay. When was the last time you had a seizure?
2 weeks ago.
Do you take
Again,
medications for
probably don't need to be
I have to
answering
go to
these
Marshall
questions.
Clinic next week. I have a
it? Do not move your head. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, so we're doing the eye thing.
You can relax. Okay, so now we're gonna move into the walk and turn. Well,
It sounds
like
bit hurts. I can't. Okay.
it sounds like I said they're voluntary. So it sounds like you said you wanted to try it.
No.
No?
I won't try it.
Okay, you don't want to do that. Okay.
Haley was then arrested because of reasonable suspicion of DUI.
Yep.
No, you don't have. No, I want to touch my grandson. I want to touch my grandson. I want to talk to my grandson. Baby, it's okay. I love you.
Get in the car, please.
You okay?
Get in the car, please.
All right, baby.
Get in the car, please.
Stay right there. Papa's gonna come get you right there.
Okay, face away from us. Nope, face away from us. Inside the car. Thank you.
He's out. Stop.
There. Okay. We'll keep it.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay. It hurts. I'll go with you cooperatively. Can we just please take my grandson back home to my husband?
Already taken care of.
Okay. Relax.
Yeah.
Please.
Here, let me do this for you. You know, I'm gonna swap you into these ones.
I'm not here to fight you guys. I don't want to fight you guys. Please. It hurt, you
Okay,
understand?
I can fit a finger in them so they're not tight.
No, my hands just beat the shit out of me the other night. It hurt.
That's what she was saying. She was saying that her boyfriend beat her up.
Oh, of course. Yeah, she's a victim.
This is ridiculous. Put the cuffs down. Let me see the other one.
I would go with another set.
Yeah.
Ones.
Well, she's gonna slip these if she can slip these. The chains, because the chains are smaller. So, I'm just gonna have to do them tighter and she's gonna
Yeah, she's
What
being
are
a
you
little
doing?
fighty.
Stop.
You stop. What the are you doing?
Putting the cup
Stop.
back on you that you slipped out of.
Stop.
This is
So
why
they tried to
don't get
loosen them up a
loosened
little
now.
bit for you, and you slipped out of them.
So this one,
So-
this one goes tighter.
No, stop right now. I'm gonna file a oh my god, I'm filing a report
Ma'am,
on
everything's
both
being
of you.
recorded.
I don't know what report you're going to file. You're not going anywhere.
That's fine.
I don't foresee what report you're going to be offer.
Oh yeah, you like Kawasaki mother.
Kawasaki?
I'm not trying to fight you guys.
What is
You
Kawasaki?
are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, let me see.
Stop! You're hurting my wrist. It's broken. Ow! No, stop! No, it's broken.
That is
Please, like.
perfectly fine
no.
because you're gonna slip out of them
No,
otherwise.
let it go a little bit, please.
Yeah, I mean, the police did try to loosen them up before, and you literally slept out of them, so we're going to go tighter, so yep.
Please, it fucking hurts.
Yep.
I got a water bottle for him too. What happened is she made it just off of Double D, not even a mile. She took the wrong corner. She tried to back up. She backed right down into a ditch, real deep. Tried to get out, couldn't. Somebody was flagged down. I don't know if it was by her. They just stopped to check on her. She was begging them to come get you to get a tractor or something like that to pull her out. In the meantime, they saw the child in the back and thought she was intoxicated, so they called us.
Okay.
So we went there. She's pretty intoxicated. So right now she's under arrest for OWI 3rd.
Okay.
And there's quite a few other charges that are coming with because of her actions tonight.
Okay.
She was fighting with us.
You want?
So nobody got hurt,
Well, thank God for that.
but it is OWI 3rd, so it's criminal. Also because there's a child under 16 in there, that's criminal. So that kind of changes things. And there's resisting arrest. So then there's displaying the wrong plates on a vehicle, no actual registration, no insurance, like all of it.
Oh my God.
She doesn't even have valid plates on her car, and she doesn't have registration, and she doesn't have valid insurance. Wow. That's amazing. She's 0 for 3. Wow. I mean, you've really got to try, man, to miss all those things. That's just super duper special. Exciting.
Yeah, we're
Just one moment.
we're trying to do what we could to help her out. She didn't help.
Grandma's riding dirty is what all I can say about that.
And it's unfortunate because I like to think that we give everybody more than a fair shake.
Sure.
She tied our hands.
Okay.
Can you please take these things off me?
No.
I'm not gonna fight you. I was pissed off.
I don't know. I thought we had a little bit of fighting action earlier.
Goddamn road, and there's cars going.
There were no cars on that road.
You guys don't have.
There are no cars on that road, like ever. You're in the middle of nowhere, ma'am.
I want to call my lawyer.
Oh, he'll be the stamper, so he'll need.
I want to
Yeah,
call
he'll
my
just call
lawyer.
somebody in, I'm sure.
Uh-huh.
I would like to call my lawyer. Can you please give me my phone, please?
Uh-huh.
I want to call my lawyer.
No.
You can when you get to jail.
No, I'm gonna call my lawyer right now because
No.
you ain't gonna take my blood and you ain't gonna take anything else.
No, they really are going to take your blood. They really are.
And that was the problem. I'm not under the influence. I haven't been drinking. I don't have anything in my goddamn system. Where in the am I supposed to run to? The room across the way?
I don't know,
No.
but we
Give me
don't want
my
to have
phone. I
that
wanna
facilitate
call my
that.
lawyer.
Ma'am, you're
No.
in police custody. You cannot.
Yes, I can call my lawyer.
No,
No.
Yeah, that's one of my rights.
no.
No.
Yeah.
You'll have time to do that at the jail.
Oh,
No.
that'll be time for me to.
You don't really have the right to an attorney unless, of course, they're asking questions, in which case Miranda applies. But they're not asking any questions, so Miranda doesn't apply. You have a right to have a lawyer in a court hearing, and you have a right to have a lawyer present during any questioning, but none of those things are true right now. At the moment, they're trying to get the blood draw that's mandated by law. And then when they take you to jail, they'll let you call your lawyer then. That's perfectly legal.
More important to arrest me than one of my grandson? You guys are pieces of shit.
No, the police seem to be doing their job, ma'am. Your car was in a ditch. It was very ditch. It was very ditch present.
He's not 3 years old.
He's gonna be 4. Excuse me. October 5th. Is that okay with you? Yeah, he is 3 years old. He weighs 75 pounds, and he is about 4 foot tall. Is there any other questions you want to ask me?
They didn't ask you any
Where is
questions
he?
in the first
I don't know,
place.
you tell me.
Yeah, with his family who's sober.
I am sober.
No, I don't really think you
Yeah.
are sober. I'm just
Sorry to
guessing.
tell you, yeah, I am. I wish I wasn't right about now. It'd be a lot easier. But no, I am sober because I take care of him and my mom.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
She is now standing on one leg.
How long do you want me to stand like this?
She's now standing on one leg and doing some sort of Indian chant thing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
She is now singing the alphabet. I can't help noticing as you were singing the alphabet song, you only made it about halfway. That's not super encouraging here, that you forgot the back half of the alphabet. Yeah, that's not really a great sign.
I'm gonna sit here on this rolling chair.
No. Because you're going to fall off and then you're going to...
No, I'm not.
Stand
I'm
up.
not gonna fall
Sit on the
off
bed.
anywhere. What are you talking about?
If you don't stay there, I'm going to handcuff you to that bed. Do you understand me?
I'm not gonna fall off anywhere. I'm
Right.
sober.
I'm not
shit.
playing that game with you.
Yeah, I would be concerned about her
You
sitting on
guys
that chair
are
too.
detaining me.
No, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not. For what?
For
Everyone's
DUI.
intoxicated and for a warrant. You're not detained. You're under arrest.
I'm not under arrest.
You most certainly are.
Oh, because I have a warrant. Okay, excuse me.
And OWI.
I don't have OWI.
You do now.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you really do.
It's fine. That's what you have court for, okay?
That's right.
For what?
To fight whatever.
Ain't nobody gonna draw my blood.
No, once again, I think the cops are. I really think they're going to.
I will.
Oh,
I will call
don't
Maria.
physically resist.
I will. No, if you guys are taking my blood, I will physically resist.
Okay, well then you'll be a new charge. If you physically resist, that'd be another
I'll call her
charge.
later, and I will let her know how you guys are treating me right now.
So far, they're treating you well
You're
within the
not gonna
bounds of the
take my
law.
f***ing blood.
Once again, they really, really are.
I gotta go. I gotta go. Please, I gotta go. I gotta go. There's nothing wrong.
They are currently applying to a judge for a warrant to take your blood. So that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the warrant. But, you know.
You know, you might have
Can
to.
you lay back down? Thank you. I'm gonna just do, gonna stand right here.
Oh no, don't do it on my hand, please. Don't do it on my hand.
I have to, okay?
No, don't do it on my hand, please.
Haley, you'll be all right.
No, I won't. Don't do it in my f***ing hand.
I have to, okay?
You can do it right in
Oh.
there.
Right here?
Yes, do it right in there.
Okay,
Don't do it
then
on
you
my
gotta
fucking
stay
hand.
right here, okay? Can't move. It's popping out just perfect, so if you stay just like this, we'll be all good, okay? Cleaning you off?
I don't know what the whole you have to do it on the hand thing is. I assume it's because something about blood veins or something makes it safer. I don't know exactly what that's about, but
Did I come up for THC?
I'm not sure.
Well, let me know.
I'm not an expert on such things, but I assume there's some sort of reason
Okay, sure.
having to do with potentially the victim,
With you,
the
and I
person
can tell
moving
that
their hand or something.
You're upset about it, and
Yeah, it's my baby. And what happens if he would have got hit and they were sitting there trying to arrest me or put handcuffs on me
yeah.
instead of paying attention to him and him get hit?
Well, fortunately, that didn't happen, though, right?
Oh, thank God.
I know.
But still, I'm saying they didn't give a
Well, I see, like I said, I would disagree, but should we get going? All right.
I just want to go back home. I gotta take care of my mom.
Wait, carry that so you can escort?
No, you're going to jail, at which point you'll be able to call your lawyer and tell them all about
Haley
it,
was
I'm sure.
charged with DUI,
Yep.
third offense, resisting an officer, and misdemeanor bail jumping.
Yep, because she has
YouTube
prior
thinks you
offenses.
will love the video on screen.
Yeah, so she has prior offenses, so we charge her with the bail jumping. No surprise there.
Aren't you so glad that we have access to this body cam footage and you didn't even have to do any work to get it? Well, with Get My Body Cam, you don't have to do any of the work, even if it's yours. In less than 5 minutes, you can start the process of having your body cam footage retrieved by real lawyers. Forget dealing with rude or annoying LEOs. Have a lawyer do it instead. Check out the website link down below in the description to find out more.
Well, my friends, that brings us to the end of this episode, and car does not go in ditch. Car does not belong in ditch. And the police believe that they have basis for a DUI. She refuses, so they get the warrant to get the blood draw, and now they have the evidence against her. And I'm pretty reasonably confident that she did not have 0.00 in her blood. So, all that stupid. So, don't drive drunk. Don't do the roadside sobriety test. It's a mistake. And check your local jurisdiction on whether or not you have to do the roadside breathalyzer. So about 8 states require it. So it's not a long list, but there are a couple. So you might want to double check your law on that one and go from there. But until next time, my friends, I've been UncivilLaw for Attorneys React. I hope you're okay and stay safe out there, my friends. Peace and goodbye.
Big verdict.